And it is certainly true, and it was certainly true in the 70s, that unless the Supreme Court had ruled that way in Roe v. Wade, that abortion would be illegal in many parts of the country. Now, not everywhere, but in many parts of the country. And so that issue really became the big issue in the Supreme Court. And if you watch the confirmation hearings, that whether Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Alito, the last two, they're almost all about abortion, trying to figure out what these justices would do if they were called upon to overrule Roe v. Wade. And so it is just, and also it's an issue that is very easy to understand. You know, it lends itself well to politics because, you know, you either think abortion is a constitutionally protected right or it's not. It's not like states' rights, which is very sort of, abstract. I mean, it's something people understand. So, you know, I mean, just for example, the court right now, it's pretty clear, is divided 5 to 4 to protect Roe v. Wade. There are 4 justices who I think pretty clearly would overturn Roe. Thomas and Scalia, who said they would. Roberts and Alito, who pretty clearly would. And the 4 justices who clearly would not overturn Roe v. Wade, Justice Stevens, Justice Ginsburg, Justice Breyer, and Justice Souter. Justice Kennedy is really in the middle in a lot of cases now, but he signed on an opinion called Casey that said Roe shouldn't be overturned. But look, if John McCain had won the election, Roe v. Wade would have been overturned. No question about it. And there were a lot of people who voted with that in mind, on both sides. People who wanted Roe overturned, people who didn't want it overturned. I mean, that's a big issue.